red flag.
Vinales.
There'll be a red flag.
There must be.
Has gone. Yeah, they'll have to red flag it because they've damaged the air fence.
This race is
You've
going
got
to
no
get
choice.
stopped. What has happened here? The bike's been destroyed. Air fence is
They'll
gone.
have to red flag it. They've got no choice.
It is red flagged. We've got a red flag
When you
here
pop the
in
air fence,
Austria.
that's it.
To see Maverick Vinales jump back up is a miracle in so many ways. That's no brakes at all.
How many more scares in Austria does Maverick Vinales need?
Well, actually, I lose completely the brake. At the end was no brakes at all, so I jumped from the bike. I didn't have any chance to stop the bike. But anyway, physically I'm quite okay. I have a little bit the shoulder. I hurt in Brno and now again. So we will try to come back at my maximum in Misano. I think it's very important for us to don't lose the focus because championship is very long. Now arrive Misano, which is a track I really like, and I will go for the victory there. And I cannot say much more. Honestly, we understand our weakness point. I was behind Dobby. I lose too much on both the straights, and I could not even have the chance to overtake. We know what we can do. So we will try in Misano to start first, to make the first lap first, and for sure will be a totally different race because our potential is much higher.
Maverick, at what point did you start to experience a problem with the brake? Was it throughout the whole race?
From lap 3, lap 4, I start to lose the front brake, the pressure. So I was all the time adjusting until one moment I could not adjust anymore.
He's got a problem. You know what? Well, you've got to hope that it's not engine related, haven't you?
Wow.
You've got to hope.
Well, it was a clutch slip that cost him so dear at the start of last weekend's race. They've had their technical problems.
You'd think that he'd have pulled over if it was an engine issue, so maybe something else. Is it another clutch issue?
Then 2 times I was with that brake, but the good point and the positive point is that was no riders in the front, which it will be a big disaster if I hit someone without brakes. And that's it. I mean, I don't want to think or overthink about it. We win or lose as a team, and we need to keep going.
We totally appreciate the fact that you probably don't want to think too much into it, but Fabio did have a brake issue last week. Are we saying that this is a common theme?
I don't know. It never happened to me. But anyway, this is a track where we need to brake very hard for recover all what we lose on the top speed. It's hard to say. I don't know. I really don't know if it's because we brake too hard or not. Anyway, brakes need to brake. This is the most important. And for sure, few mistakes will be done on the bike to make that the brake was gone.
He's up to about 300 Ks. He just clicks 300 Ks, and when he jumps off, 215, maybe even faster than what we initially thought. No brake. Pretty clear to see right from the get-go.